Hello friends, in last video we have seen graphics using circle. In this video we are going to see more number of graphics using circle. So which kind of graphics we are going to see? Let us see the output of that graphics first. So let us see the first program in this tutorial. Let me run this program, and this is the graphics of our first program. How the program works, let us see that. So this is our program. So this will import turtle module. This will create turtle T1. This is going to set speed of our turtle very fast, that is fastest one. This will set the background color of our window black, and now we have taken one array with rainbow color, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And now this is of no use as we are going to change the color of our turtle. Here for I in the range 0 to 100. So our for loop will go up to 100 with a difference of 2. If you don't know how for loop works, please see the video series of basics of Python. And now what this will do, this will select any one color from our array. Initially it will select C of 0 when I will be 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, this I modulus 7 will going to make that index again 0, 1, 2, 3. The logic of this is explained in the previous video. You can watch that video. And it will draw the circle with initial radius 50 plus 0. When I becomes 2, the color will change to blue and our radius will be 52. In the next iteration, I will be 4. Then it will select fourth number color, that is yellow, and our radius will go on increasing by the difference of 2, and that's why we are able to see this graphics. The initial circle is at 0, then it has increased 52, 54, 56 and so on. So now let us see another graphics, another program. This, let us see the output of this first, and then we will explain this program. So this is drawing circle outside circle, and after drawing that complete circle, it is go on changing the angle by certain degree. So let us see how this program works. So this we know. Here we are importing turtle module, then we are creating turtle, speed we have select, then background color black, then foreground color white, and this J is going to rotate for 10 times. So it will draw the 10 such a kind of circle, but this for loop will draw circle inside circle. So it will draw 0 to 100, and again the increment is by 2. So this will draw T1 dot circle 50 when I is 0, then the next circle radius will 52, 54, 56. So it will go on incrementing this circle outside circle, and after completion of this circle means when it will draw 50 circle, it will rotate that turtle module angle by 20 degree, and again it will go on drawing that circle. Now we have seen that all circle it came up to half semicircle we can say. So if we would like to go for complete circle, then as it is 20, the angle of rotation is of 20, so we must take this J should go up to 18, because 20 multiplied by 18 it will cover whole 360 degree. Now let us see the output of this program. and now see it will cover whole circle. Uh, Okay, now we are able to see that has completed whole circle, and we are able to see this design, but the spacing between circle is very less, and it doesn't look very good. So can we change certain angle, or what we can change here? Uh, so can I change this spacing by 4? Okay, let us do it, and we can change this angle to 30, and rather to take 18 here, so 3 I have to write, it should be 12. So let me run this program and let us see the output of this also. Now this graphic is somewhat spacious than previous one. The moment I change the angle as well as I reduce the density of circle, we are able to see the beautiful graphics. I think its look is better than the previous one. Okay, now let us go to another program, free one, and let us see the output of this first, and I'll explain it how this works. Now this we say colorful rotation of circle, we can say it is same as that of previous one, but it was completely white output, and now it is colorful. But again the same, the density of circle is more, that's why it doesn't look that much good. So how this is going to work? Only the thing is that it is same as that of previous one, but it is with colors. So again we have seen how we can change the color by using this color array. Now how we can change the color by using this color array, we have seen it in previous video, so you can watch that. So this is the logic by using which we can change, we can select any one of the color, it will go from indexing 0 to 6, and after that, after 6 it will again go to 0. So now let us go to another program, see the output of it first. Okay, again we can say beautiful graphics. Now it is drawing circle outside circle, but the whole circle will be of only one color. How we can do that? Let us see the logic of program up to this. That is the same logic as per the previous program. Here we have taken one array of color, definitely rainbow color we can say. The J, we are going to draw 12 circle, and definitely angle is of 30, so that it should be able to cover whole big circle we can say. And here it will draw 30 circle, as we are giving the increment of 3, 0 to 90 it is going, and the first circle radius is 50, and then it is go on incrementing by 3. So in this way it will work. So let me explain this whole logic. This will draw circle outside circle, the first radius is of 50, the color it will take, it is white. First initially it has drawn the white, as this will select the white turtle, then it will draw 30 circle. After drawing 30 circle, the turtle angle will change by 30, left by 30, and then it will select the first color, that is violet, then again the next, yes, then violet, then indigo, then blue, and so on, and we are able to see whole circle by circle, and whatever output you have observed it. Now let me switch to another program. And now see the output of another program. Now for the remaining program, we are going to see the output of it, and I'll show you the program. How the logic is, you can comment me, and friends, definitely it is based on the previous program, so you can easily understand. If you don't understand any of the program or any of the line, please comment me. I'll explain it in comment section. So let me take another program. See the output of this program. By slight change in the logic, you will be able to see the change in graphics. It is similar kind of graphics, but just by merely changing some logic, and we'll be able to change the graphics output. See another program. And now here there is need to explain this. In the previous outputs, in the previous program, we have taken C with only 7 color. Here I have taken number of colors. So these are the colors, number of colors I have taken. I'll give you one program. By running that program, you will be able to get all color, how they looks, and what is the name of that color. I'll mention that program in PDF of these programs, so you can go through it. And I have taken the colors from the same program. Let me run this program and see the output. So these are going to change the color of circle, whatever we have mentioned in that matrix. So you can use any one of these color for your graphics development. So you are able to see this beautiful graphics. So it is just changing its angle by 1.5 degree, and it is covering whole circle, and the circle radius is constant, that is 125, and the color we are choosing from that array. Now this is last program we are going to see now, and see again same logic. Again same color matrix I have used, but logic I have changed little bit. That is, I have taken K minus. So when it will go on multiplying, one circle will plot clockwise and another circle will plot anti-clockwise, as we have seen in the previous video. Let me run this program. And now it is similar of that previous one, but one circle clockwise and another circle anti-clockwise, and that's why they are mixing the color, and we are able to see different color graphics than previous one. So friends, this is all about graphics using circle. In the upcoming videos, we are going to see number of graphics by using square, triangle, star, and by remaining shapes like hexagon and another one. So friends, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.